Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we share amazing stories of saints. Back with me again, Joseph, your host. Today we're going to travel back in time almost 1,700 years ago to meet a very special person named Philogonius. His story is incredible because it shows how anyone, no matter what their job is, can become a great hero for God. So, who was Philogonius? Well, he lived in a big, bustling city called Antioch. Before he was known as a saint, he was actually a lawyer. He wasn't just any lawyer, he was one of the best. People all over Antioch knew him for being super smart and a great speaker. But what made him truly special was his heart. He was known for his incredible integrity, which means he was always honest and fair. He used his legal skills to help people who couldn't help themselves, like the poor, widows, and orphans. He would stand up for them in court and make sure they were treated justly, often without asking for any money in return. For Philogonius, helping others was more important than getting rich. He believed in doing the right thing always. Now, Philogonius had a family he loved very much. He was married and had a beautiful daughter. He probably thought his life would follow this path forever, being a good husband, father, and lawyer. But sometimes life brings unexpected changes. Sadly, his beloved wife passed away. This was a very difficult time for him. After her death, he poured all his love and energy into raising his daughter. Once his daughter was grown up, Philogonius found himself at another crossroads. He had to decide what to do with the rest of his life. He could have continued his successful career, but he felt a different calling. He chose a path of deep dedication to God. He decided to leave his worldly life behind and become a monk, focusing entirely on prayer and serving the church. But God had even bigger plans for him. Around the year 318, the Bishop of Antioch passed away. The people of the city had to choose a new leader for their church. And who do you think they wanted? Altogether, with one voice, the people of Antioch called for Philogonius. They remembered how he had been their champion as a lawyer, always fighting for justice with kindness. They trusted him. It was a very unusual choice because normally a bishop would have to be a priest for a long time first. But everyone saw that Philogonius had the heart of a true shepherd. So a special exception was made, and this dedicated layman became the Bishop of Antioch. As a bishop, Philogonius faced huge challenges. It was a tough time for Christians. The Roman emperors were often persecuting them, and Philogonius himself was even put in prison for his faith. He bravely endured these hardships, never giving up on his belief in Jesus, because he suffered for his faith but wasn't martyred. He earned the special title of confessor. But the dangers weren't just from the outside. A new, confusing idea was spreading within the church. A man named Arius started teaching something called Arianism. This was a heresy, which is a belief that goes against the core teachings of the church. Arius claimed that Jesus was not fully divine, that he was a creation of God the Father and not equal to him. This was a really big deal because it challenged the very heart of the Christian faith, who Jesus is. Saint Philogonius knew this was wrong. He was one of the very first church leaders to stand up and say, "No, that's not right. Jesus is truly God." He received a letter from Saint Alexander, the Bishop of Alexandria, where the heresy started, and he joined the fight to defend the truth. With his powerful voice and strong faith, he protected his flock in Antioch from this confusing teaching, explaining why it was so important to believe in the divinity of Christ. His strong stance helped prepare the way for the famous Council of Nicaea, where church leaders from all over the world gathered to officially declare the true teaching about Jesus. Philogonius was a true shepherd. He didn't just fight big battles. He cared for each person in his church. A famous saint who came later, Saint John Chrysostom, once gave a speech all about Philogonius. He described the church in Antioch under Philogonius's care as a beautiful, flourishing garden, free of weeds and full of good fruit. This showed just how tirelessly Philogonius worked. He encouraged those who were scared during the persecutions. And he gently guided back those who had stumbled in their faith. He never judged them harshly. Instead, he showed them compassion and helped them find their way back to God. His life was a perfect example of what he taught. He lived simply, prayed constantly, and always put others first. He was so dedicated that it was said he barely rested, always watching over his flock day and night. Saint Philogonius' story reminds us of something really important. Every day, we make choices. We can choose to live based on what others think of us, always seeking approval and chasing after superficial things. This is like living from the outside in. It often leaves us feeling empty and insecure. Or we can choose to live like Saint Philogonius, from the inside out. This means living based on our true values, our faith, and our love for God and others. It means being authentic, having a clear purpose, and finding peace within ourselves, no matter what happens on the outside. Philogonius faced many moments where he had to choose his path. Getting married, becoming a single father, becoming a monk, and then a bishop. At each step, he chose to listen to God's call and live from the inside out. Even if we feel like we've gone down the wrong path, it's never too late to change. God is a God of new beginnings and second chances. Just like he called a lawyer from a courtroom to lead one of the biggest churches in the world, he can call any of us to do amazing things, right where we are. Saint Philogonius eventually passed away peacefully around the year 322. He left behind a legacy of courage, faith, and leadership. His feast day is on December 20th, and because of his first career, he is known as the patron saint of lawyers. His life is a powerful reminder that holiness isn't about having a special job or background. It's about answering God's call with a faithful and loving heart. It's about choosing day by day to live a life of integrity and purpose. Thank you so much for joining us to learn about the incredible life of Saint Philogonius of Antioch. I hope his story inspires you to live from the inside out and to always stand up for the truth with courage and love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more stories of the saints. Take care, everyone. Stay healthy and hungry for holiness. See you next time, and God bless you always.